What's up, guys? Bitter Blade Co. Today, I'm going to be carving my first spoon from this piece of ash. Okay, I just want to thank Tracy for cutting out this dish for me on his jig, and I'm going to try to carve this spoon today. Alright, I don't know what I'm doing, so I'm going to use this draw knife to carve down the back of this. I want to thank Tracy for giving me the chance to get the spoke shave, this draw knife, and all the wood. Really nice guy. I'll make sure to throw his Instagram down in the bio. The description, rather. Coming along slowly. Alright, working my way up the grits. It's coming out pretty nice.
Yeah, no, I had it in the vertical. You have to have it in landscape mode or else it'll like have the black bars on it.
All right. All right. I think she came out really nice. Just got her finished up and really love the way it came out. I just want to thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe to Video Blade Co. Make sure to check out my Instagram. And special thanks to Tracy. I'm going to put his Instagram and his YouTube in the description of this video. He's the one that I got the draw knife and the spoke shave from, and the wood. Thanks, man. All right. Night, guys.